In this session, we will study about fruits, types of fruits, uses of fruits, apomixis, parthenogenesis, types of parthenogenesis, polyembryony, formation, parts, types of fruits. We all know trees are usually named and recognized by their fruits, such as apple tree, mango tree, and so on. Fruits are important and characterize element of plants, especially characteristics of angiosperm. It is fleshy, nutritious, seed-bearing, edible structure of the plant and delicious gift of nature. Some fruits are fleshy, sweet and juicy, while others are sour. Few fruits have seeds and few are seedless. They are loaded with minerals, fibers and vitamins. Some are also considered as natural medicines. A fruit is a reproductive unit and fruits are the outcome of reproduction. Actually, the study we must know what is fruit, how it is developed in the plant, and types and uses of fruits. Basically, fruits are made up of pericarp and seeds. There are three types of fruits: simple fruit, aggregate fruit, and composition. In this, we are going to study about individual things. First, what is fruit? Before studying about uses, types, we must know what is fruit. Fruits are juicy, pulpy, colored, aromatic structure that enclose seeds. It develops from a ripe ovary, which are rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fibers, such as grapes, banana, papaya, watermelon. They are used by humans. They are the main source of balanced diet. A fruit comprises of two main parts: pericarp and seeds. Pericarp. The pericarp is the wall of ovary that develop in the wall of fruits. The pericarp of the fruit might be fleshy, as in guava, mango, or might be dry, as in mustard, walnut. The pericarp is further differentiated into three layers, namely epicarp, which is the outermost layer from the peel. Middle layer, fleshy, edible portion of the fruit is known as the mesocarp. Innermost layer, inner rough portion, where the seeds is accommodated or protected, is known as the endocarp. Seeds are ripened, fertilized ovules. It is an embryonic plant enclosed in a protective outer cover. Types of fruits. Based on the number of ovaries and the number of flowers involved in the fruit formation, fruits are classified into three major groups. Simple fruit. These fruits develop from a single matured ovary in a single flower. Apple, banana, cherry, pear, tomato are few examples of simple fruit. Simple fruit are further classified in following categories. Drupes. These are also known as stone fruits since it contains a very hard seed inside the simple fruit. For example, plum, cherry, peach. Berries. These type of fruits have a single seed in the center and are very juicy. For example, grapes, blueberries. Pomes. Such fruits bloom from trees. For example, apple, papaya. Hesperidum and Paphos. They are slightly similar to the berries and include fruits such as watermelon, citrus. Second, aggregate fruits. These fruits develop from a number of mature ovaries formed in a single flower. Individual ovaries are called fruitlets. Blackberry, raspberry, strawberry are few examples of aggregate fruits. Composite fruits. These fruits develop from a complete inflorescence. These are known as the multiple fruits. Composite fruits are of two types. Soroses. These are found in mulberry, jackfruit, and pineapple. They develop from catkin, spike, and spadix type of inflorescence. Second, Syconus. This develops from Hypenthodium type of inflorescence. A fruit is a reproductive unit and fruits are the outcome of reproduction. Actually, the study we must know what is fruit, how it is developed in the plant, and types and uses of fruits. Basically, fruits are made up of pericarp and seeds. There are three types of fruits: simple fruit, aggregate fruit, and composition. In this, we are going to study about individual things. Fruits and seeds are not only essential in the life cycle of flowering plant, they are also utilized as source of food. In a few species, a fruit mechanism have evolved to produce seed and fruit. These mechanisms can prominent be seen in Asteraceae family. Apomixis. Apomixis is a type of asexual reproduction that mimics sexual reproduction to produce seeds in flowering plants. Two types of apomixis are found in flowering plant: an unfertilized diploid egg developing into the embryo through parthenogenesis. For example, Rosaceae family. Second, embryo arising directly from the nuclear cells of the ovule. Example, types of fruits. Based on the number of ovaries and the number of flowers involved in the fruit formation, fruits are classified into three major groups. Simple fruit. These fruits develop from a single matured ovary in a single flower. Apple, banana, cherry, pear, tomato are few examples of simple fruit. Simple fruit are further classified in following categories. Drupes. These are also known as stone fruits since it contains a very hard seed inside the simple fruit. For example, plum, cherry, peach. Berries. These type of fruit. Parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy can be defined as the production of fruit from an unfertilized egg. It can be achieved by naturally or artificially. Example, seedless watermelon. Two types of parthenocarpy are found. They are as follows: stimulative parthenocarpy and vegetative parthenocarpy. In stimulative parthenocarpy process, pollination is required to produce fruits. Example, seedless watermelon. While in vegetative parthenocarpy process, pollination is not required to produce fruits. Example, seedless cucumber. Hybrid cultivation of fruits by parthenocarpy is used to increase productivity, but parthenocarpy processes is expensive. As a result, hybrid seeds and fruits become quite expensive. Basically, parthenocarpy can be defined as: parthenocarpy is the production of fruits without the fertilization of ovules. Fruits like banana and fig are developed without fertilization and do not produce any viable seeds. The condition in which fruits are developed without the formation of seed is called parthenocarpy. This process of fruit production was introduced in year 1902. This is mainly due to the absence of fertilization in plants, pollination and embryo development. In botany, parthenocarpic fruit means virgin fruit. These type of fruits are generally seedless. During cultivation, parthenocarpy is introduced along with other plant hormones including zebralic acid. It results in the maturation of the ovaries without the process of fertilization and produces bigger and pulpy fruits. These processes are applicable to all kinds of crops from varieties of squash to cucumber and many more. Banana is a good example of parthenocarpy. In this natural process, the produced banana are sterile, developed without viable ovaries, and do not produce seeds, which means they must propagate vegetatively. Pineapples and figs are also example of parthenocarpy, which occurs naturally. Some parthenocarpic fruits are as follows: pineapple, banana, cucumber, grapes, watermelon, orange, grapefruit, pear, fig. These develop without fertilization and are mostly seedless. Types of parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy can be categorized into two parts, which are vegetative and stimulative. Vegetative, these generally take place without pollination, and due to the absence of pollination, no seeds are produced within the fruits. Stimulative parthenocarpy generally takes place without the process of fertilization. This condition occurs when the ovipositor of a wasp is inserted into the ovary of the flower and can also be achieved by flowing air or plant growth regulators into the unisexual flower that are present inside the syconium. Benefits of parthenocarpy. This is most healthy and the results are achieved easily. Provide seedless fruits and improve quality. It reduces the complete cost of the cultivation. These improves crop yield without using organic pesticides. Plant growth regulators are natural and the fruit producers are larger. Parthenocarpy keeps insects and pests away without using chemicals because there is no requirement of pollinating insects for the formation of fruits. This protects the plants from being attacked by pesticides. Here is the difference between apomixis and amphimixis. According to the particulars given, the both are classified. Okay. Terms was coined by two different biologists. Winkler in 1906 was defined by or coined by for apomixis, and Welsmont in 1891 gave term amphimixis. Sexual fusion or union of male and female gametes, gene combination or gene flow, whether possible or not, segregation occurs or not, rapid development of inbreed lines is possible or not, conservation of heterosis possible, not possible, types of reproduction occurs in apomixis or amphimixis, types have been given, frequency in plants is low or high. According to the characteristics, they have been differentiated. Comparison of difference between apomixis and polyembryony. Apomixis and asexual production that occur without fertilization and not involving meiosis, while polyembryony is the formation of more than one embryo from a single fertilized ovum or in a single seed. Apomixis occurs with the help of asexual production, while polyembryony occurs with the help of sexual production. In apomixis, As asexual reproduction is there, no fertilization takes place. Polyembryony, it undergoes fertilization. Apomixis does not evolve in the production of seeds, while polyembryony evolves in the production of seeds. The offspring plants are genetically identical to the parents, while in polyembryony the offspring plants are not genetically identical to the parents.